Welcome to day 7 of my 30-day body transformation challenge. I am Scott McLaughlin. I'm going to talk about why I eat organic and recommend eating organic for the most part, at least as much as you can. And that is because let's just take coffee for an example, okay? The people who produce crops like coffee, they're in it for the money. They're not in it for our health. So in order to have their crop not be eaten by insects, they spray them. And coffee is one of the worst sprayed crops there is. So what they're spraying on the crops is killing insects. It's killing something that's alive. That means it's toxic. That means it's a poison. It is a poison. There's no denying that. So they're spraying that all over the coffee that people are drinking all the time. And not only that, but carrots, crops, whatever you name it, it's being crop dusted. So then there's government agencies that are supposed to say, oh, okay, well, we can allow a certain amount of that to go into the food. And our American standards for what they allow is way lower than Europe and other countries. So in other words, America allows way more toxins into the food than other countries do. So I like to go above and beyond what the regulations allow. That's why I eat organic, because organic is not sprayed with pesticides. But I could think of a guy who, he started out as the world's leading software developer, and then overnight he became the world's leading medical expert all of a sudden. And then he bought like 80% of all the farms in the United States. And buying up all these farms and organic things, so it's getting even more difficult to find anything organic. And then the government agencies like the F and then the D and then the A, what they used to be, it was USDA organic would have to be 100% organic. But now I think it's down to like 80%, so it could be 20% not organic. So it's getting more and more difficult to get anything organic. So over time, air, water, food, and that is putting toxics, we're getting toxified. And then over the years, it builds up and you start getting diseases. So over a lifetime, you're so toxic. So that's why I'm saying, people probably ask me, what are you talking about detoxing, by not eating? Because your liver is constantly filtering all the pollutions in the air, all the water, crops, whatever you name it. That's why I eat organic as much as possible and recommend it for everyone else. Okay, so now, let me just show you guys a little, I'm not gonna do a lot of exercise, I did the pull-ups out there, right? It's actually kind of cold out here. So today I'd like to talk about why organic. Let me do a couple more pull-ups again. Legs lifting for the abs. And this is what I look like today on day 7. This is me on day 7. Now this is another little exercise you guys can do. You just lean against the counter and then lean down like that and up like this. Down like this, up like that. And this works your legs, your butt, your back, a lot of things, pretty much your whole body. So basically all you have to do, you can do as much or as little as you'd like. I haven't eaten today since last night. I had dinner, so I didn't plan this out ahead of time. I just decided to do this on January 2nd. It was a 30-day thing. I didn't plan it out. It's just spur of the moment thing that I did this. So I still have food that I need to eat, which is the potatoes and stuff. Otherwise they're gonna just go bad and stuff. So That's why I'm eating dinner probably, even if I don't feel like I really have to eat dinner. I'm still eating dinner probably tonight. I'll be going to Costco soon, and I'll reorganize what I'm gonna eat. But I still have a lot of stuff, like I have frozen organic pizzas and stuff like that I might be eating. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, this is what I'm having for dinner. Potatoes, burger, onions, and I'm going to drop an egg on top this time. Put a little cayenne on top of it. Alright guys, thanks for keeping up with me on the 30 days, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.